Year 2012. Design belongs to Adobe. If you are a serious designer, you use Photoshop, Illustrator. Later, Sketch, desktop software, heavy files, version chaos, email attachments. That is normal. No one questions it. Then a 20-year-old founder asks a strange question. Why does design not live in the browser? People laugh. Web apps are slow. Browsers are weak. Serious work happens on desktop. Dylan Field does not agree. He believes design will become multiplayer, not files, not attachments. Live collaboration? Theory is everywhere. Experience is rare. Welcome to WowFlow. We are here to close the experience gap, to transfer lived experience from humans to machines, and the generations that follow. If you do not believe in the power of real experience, stop watching. This is not for you, but if you do, let us begin. For years, Figma struggles. The product is slow, investors are unsure, WebGL is immature. Performance is fragile. The company burns money-building infrastructure. From 2012 to 2015, this is not a hot startup. It is a risky bet. Then the critical moment arrives. Multiplayer, not just sharing a file, not sending a link. Real-time collaboration. Two designers in the same file, typing, editing, seeing each other live. It feels small. It is not. This changes the psychology of design. Design is no longer a file. It becomes a space. And this is where the sales strategy hides. Figma does not go to CIOs. It does not knock on enterprise doors. It launches a free tier. Anyone can start. A designer invites another designer. Then a product manager joins, then an engineer. Suddenly, 5 people are inside the same file. No installation, no procurement, no IT approval. This is the Trojan horse. By the time leadership notices, the team is already using it. Enterprise selling changes direction. Instead of top-down, it becomes bottom-up. First the user, then the team. Then the department, then the contract. Figma grows fast. Design teams switch from Sketch. Startups standardize on Figma. Then larger companies follow. Slack, Uber, Microsoft Teams. Adoption spreads inside organizations before sales ever calls. And then comes the next critical moment. September 2022. Adobe announces it will acquire Figma for $20 billion. $20 billion for a browser design tool. The incumbent is not killing the startup. It is buying it. That tells you everything. Adobe sees the threat. Collaboration, cloud, bottom-up adoption, design becoming shared infrastructure. The deal shocks the market. It validates Figma's strategy. But then another twist. Regulators step in. Competition concerns rise. In 2023, the deal collapses. Figma remains independent and stronger. Now here is the real sales lesson. Figma did not win because it had better features. It won because it changed how buying decisions started. Traditional enterprise sales begins with executives, budgets, RFPs, procurement. Figma began with designers. It removed friction, made it free, made it collaborative. By the time procurement got involved, the decision was emotional. Teams did not want to go back. That is experience-driven selling. You are not convincing someone in a boardroom. You are embedding yourself into daily workflow. Artificial intelligence can analyze feature sets. It can compare pricing. But it cannot create organic internal momentum. It cannot design a product. That spreads before sales enters the room. Figma understood something powerful. If you control the user experience, you control the enterprise decision. Adobe built tools. Figma built behavior. That is the difference. Free tool, bottom-up growth, $20 billion offer. That is not luck. That is a strategic invasion. Now it is your turn. Do not wait years to build this expertise. Subscribe to Close the Gap, our weekly newsletter, where real experiences from world-class experts become your competitive edge. Link in the description.